Okay, I just bought this grinder, and the thing is that the packaging seems normal. Okay, got shipped from United States to Panama. Okay, and the thing is that the grinder came with this dent. Considering this is a metal material, it's pretty hard. And, okay, so it was supposed to be working right away, but I'm gonna try to make this work right now. The handle is not working. It's not even moving. You cannot move it. I am trying to put it like really hard, and it's impossible to do it. And on the bottom, it's supposed to be like you're supposed to be able to control this while you are pulling on the handle, and you can see I am putting a lot of force in it, and it's not working. Also, look at this. Okay, so it was like really cheap from the normal price, but not working.